So I just want to show you a few things in GoodWall app. I feel like some persons are not really getting what they need to do in GoodWall app. Okay, as a matter of fact, I made a video talking about how you can actually make money using the GoodWall app. And this is the app, okay? I just want to explain a few things. You can check my channel. You're going to see a video tutorial I made about GoodWall app, everything you need to know about it, okay? So this GoodWall app is basically an app where you can actually make money. Yes, you can make money in different ways. And one of the ways you can make money, and the major way you can make money, is through challenges. When you participate on the challenge, companies and organizations actually come here to place challenges, scholarships, and everything that you can actually participate in, and you make money for yourself. So I'm going to be walking you through several ways you can actually make money on this app. And another way you can actually make money as well is through referrals, right? Like literally get $2 for anybody you refer on this website. And if you ask me, that's the easiest way to make money online. But a lot of persons will say, oh, I don't know how to do referral. I cannot do referral. But anyways, this is not a referral based program. I'm just telling you is one of the ways you can make money here, right? So for you to get started, click the link in the comment section. Now, please ensure you follow these instructions so you're not going to make mistakes. Once you click the link in the comment section, it's going to take you to where you're going to download the app. And once you download the app, please do not open the app. Please do not open the app. Okay. Now, what you need to do after downloading the app through that link, you come back to the same link you used to download the app and click on it. It will lead you to where you're going to register. Now, after registering, you are good to go. Then subsequent things you want to do, you can then open the app and be doing subsequent things. But for the registration, you click on the link after downloading the app using the link. I'm going to say it again. You follow the link in the comment section or the description box of this video, or whether it's on TikTok, you're going to see this video, or on YouTube or on Facebook. If you're seeing this video on Facebook, you can check the comment section. If you're seeing it on TikTok, you can send me a DM so I can send you the link. And if you're seeing it on YouTube, you can see it in the comment section of the video or in the description box of the video. Once you click on the link, it's going to land you to a page where you are going to download the app, right? Once you download the app, do not open it. Simply go back to the link and open the link. It will lead you to where you're going to register. Now, once you finish registering, you're going to be landed to this page. Okay?
Imagine a world where every creative thought could be explored.
Now, if you look down here, you're going to see your profile. Okay, so this is my profile. Okay? Once you register and go to your profile, there are some things you're supposed to fill. Okay, once you register and come to your profile, you look above here, you're going to see invite journey. Click on hurry up and claim your reward. Okay, so you are expected to verify your identity, keep your account secure by verifying your identity, participate in a challenge. And then what do? You simply look for challenges. So if you click on this plus sign here, it's going to direct you to where you can actually upload your photo. You can see, you can upload your photo, or you can record a video directly, but I don't advise people to record videos directly, right? So let's go back. All right, you can see my profile. Like, just walk around the app. I've updated my profile already. So this is my profile on the app. Ensure you do yours. So if you come to this home icon here, you're going to be seeing challenges. And if you look above here, any money you have is going to be added to your balance here. You can see I'm having $2 right here. And once your money is up to $35, you can actually withdraw. And how do you accumulate $35? Through participating in challenges, through referrals. Now, let me show you the challenges. For example, this one appearing here. Okay. Just simply navigate your way to the home section. You're going to you can see vegetarian, take part. If you click on take part,
What if I told you your plate has a bigger carbon footprint than your car? Globally, animal agriculture emits about 14.5%
So this
of
person
all
is someone that
human-caused
did a
greenhouse
video to
gases,
take part
more than the
in that
entire
challenge,
transport sector combined.
right? You
Livestock
can
farming doesn't
make
just
your
emit
own video
carbon; it
talking
releases
about
methane,
vegetarian. If
a
this is not
greenhouse
what you
gas
want to
that's over
talk
80
about,
times more.
you look for other challenges. So now you can see, what if you get paid to eat sustainably? Join the vegetarian challenge powered by Accenture plus Circle. Eat a vegetarian meal, post it on GoodWall, and earn $1 for every valid entry. Now, they are simply encouraging you to eat something that has vegetables. And by you just eating healthy, you can actually make $1 by eating healthy. So it's very easy to make money here. Now, it says, this is how to participate in this challenge. Eat something vegetarian, your favorite dish with no meat count. Yes, just eat. You should just have vegetables. You should not have meat inside. Take a selfie with your food. Post it with #vegetarian and tell us the name of your dish. And you're going to get $1 for your first valid post. You can actually, now once you post it, you're going to get $1 and you can actually earn $5,000 if you win the overall. Right? You can see people have posted. Look at what people have posted. These are the things people posted. You can see they don't have any meat on top of it, just vegetables. Okay, so they're literally encouraging vegetarian eating. You can see this person posted vegetable with rice. Okay, like these are people that have actually submitted their entries, so you can go ahead and do yours. If you want to take part, just click on take part, then go back, look for another challenge that is still on. For this one now, this trash tag. Okay, plant trees, trash tag, click on take part and skip, show more. Now this one is the instruction for this one. Now this one is to encourage cleanliness. You can see, tired of seeing trash everywhere? Join the trash tag challenge powered by Accenture plus Circle. Clean up your community, post it on GoodWall and earn $1 for every bag of trash you collect. It's simple. Grab gloves plus a trash bag. Snap a before and after pics plus a selfie with your collected trash. Dispose of it safely in recycling or trash bins. They're just saying, have a picture of you wearing a glove, cleaning your environment, and then take a picture of it and showing where you're putting it in a trash pan, like where you're disposing it neatly. Dispose of it safely in recycling or trash bins. Post your entry on GoodWall with the hashtag trash tag. And you're going to get $1 for your first valid post. And you can earn up to $5,000, right? So you can see people doing this. It's literally simple. Just keep scrolling. You're going to see a lot of challenges. Ensure you always open this app. You're going to see challenges. Now, if you come down again, you're going to see more challenges, and they always have days that you can actually do it. Now, this one is remaining 14 days left. And this one you can win $10 for it. This one you can win $10. This one you can win $25. Now let's tap on this one. Now it says, as we dive into 2025, what achievements are you most proud of? Share your accomplishments with the community, whether it's a personal milestone, a professional breakthrough, or a goal you've crossed. Let's celebrate your journey. And one beautiful thing about all this thing is that you can actually get lucky. Just tell ChatGPT to do this thing for you, and ChatGPT is going to compile something for you. Post it. You don't need to stress yourself, right? But ensure you also add your own creativity to it. And that happens when you give ChatGPT a right prompt, right? So these are people literally sharing about their own stories. So let's see this NYC person. So this person literally wrote something. You see? This is what the person wrote. You can go on and on. Once you are set to withdraw, all you need to do is to tap here. Now you can see withdraw. How does withdrawal work? By participating in GoodWall, you can earn a digital dollar issued through regulated entries of Circle. Once you reach the required threshold, you can convert your balance to USDT and withdraw. Want to know more? Watch this video to learn. You can watch the video. Your securities are priority. To protect your transactions and ensure the safety of your Good wallet, please complete the steps below. Ensure you follow the steps. Complete the steps. Okay? And you are good to go. You can make your researches online. You're going to see that this app actually pays. My upline I got this update from has been cashing out. Like, I've seen her cashed out like 2 times. I'm talking about $45, $47, right? And if you want to invite somebody, all you need to type on invite. If you tap on invite, okay, invite your friends, tap on invite friends, and then you can see copy link. Tap on copy link and copy your link and share to friends, and you are good to go. So this is literally how to make money on GoodWall app. Thank you for watching. Bye.